Today I am reviewing the MSI Titan 18HX AI. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to pushing the absolute limits of gaming laptops, the MSI Titan 18HX AI stands in a league of its own. This isn't just a gaming laptop. It's a full-blown desktop replacement designed for enthusiasts, professionals, and hardcore gamers who demand the best performance money can buy. From its cutting-edge hardware to its stunning display and premium build, this machine represents the peak of portable computing in 2026. Let's begin with the design and presence of this device, because the first thing you'll notice is its sheer size and authority. The 18-inch form factor immediately sets it apart from typical gaming laptops. This isn't built for portability in the traditional sense. It's built for power. The chassis feels incredibly solid and premium, with a design that reflects MSI's flagship status. Every detail, from the hinge to the keyboard deck, feels engineered for durability and performance. Speaking of the display, this is easily one of the most impressive features of the Titan 18HX. You're getting an 18-inch UHD plus mini LED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, and the visual experience is simply stunning. The mini LED technology allows for incredible brightness, deep blacks, and exceptional contrast, delivering a true HDR experience with HDR 1000 support. Colors are vibrant and accurate, covering 100% of the DCI P3 color gamut, making this laptop not just perfect for gaming, but also ideal for content creators, video editors, and designers. Whether you're exploring open-world games or working on high-resolution media, everything looks breathtaking. Under the hood, this machine is powered by the Intel Core Ultra 9 285HX processor, one of the most advanced CPUs available. Built with AI-enhanced performance capabilities, this processor is designed to handle extremely demanding workloads with ease. From high-end gaming to 3D rendering, video editing, streaming, and even AI-based tasks, the Titan handles it all without hesitation. Multitasking feels effortless, and you'll rarely, if ever, hit performance limits in everyday use. But the real powerhouse here is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU with a massive 24 GB of GDDR7 VRAM. This is next-generation graphics performance at its finest. With this GPU, you're not just playing games. You're experiencing them at the highest possible settings, often in 4K resolution, with smooth frame rates and advanced features like ray tracing fully enabled. Games look incredibly realistic, with lifelike lighting, reflections, and shadows. And thanks to AI technologies like DLSS, you can boost performance even further while maintaining stunning visuals. This level of GPU power also makes the Titan 18HX an absolute beast for creators. Whether you're working with 4K or even 8K video, complex 3D models, or heavy simulation workloads, this system handles it all effortlessly. It's a true workstation disguised as a gaming laptop. Now let's talk about memory and storage, because MSI has gone all out here. With 64 GB of DDR5 RAM, multitasking is virtually limitless. You can run demanding applications, virtual machines, and multiple heavy workloads simultaneously without any slowdown. This is far beyond what most users will ever need. But for professionals and power users, it's a dream setup. Storage is equally impressive. You're getting a combination of ultra-fast drives, including a 2 TB Gen 5 NVMe SSD and additional Gen 4 SSDs, giving you massive storage capacity along with blazing fast speeds. File transfers, game loading, and system responsiveness are all incredibly fast. You'll have more than enough space for large game libraries, high-resolution media files, and professional projects. The keyboard is another standout feature. MSI has included a Cherry mechanical RGB keyboard, which is something rarely seen in laptops. The tactile feedback is excellent, making typing and gaming feel precise and satisfying. Combined with per-key RGB lighting, it adds both functionality and a premium aesthetic. Connectivity is also future-ready, with support for Wi-Fi 7, ensuring ultra-fast wireless speeds and low latency. Whether you're gaming online, streaming, or downloading massive files, the connection remains stable and incredibly fast. This is especially important for competitive gaming and cloud-based workflows. Cooling such powerful hardware is no small task, but MSI has implemented an advanced cooling system to keep temperatures under control. While the fans can get loud under heavy load, that's expected given the performance level. The important thing is that the system maintains stability and avoids thermal throttling, allowing you to push it to its limits. Battery life, as you might expect, is not the main focus here. This is a performance-first machine, and to truly unlock its potential, you'll want to keep it plugged in. However, for light tasks, it still offers reasonable battery performance for its class. In real-world usage, the MSI Titan 18HX delivers an experience that's simply unmatched. Whether you're gaming at ultra settings in 4K, editing high-resolution videos, or running complex workflows, it handles everything with ease and confidence. It's built for those who refuse to compromise. Of course, this level of performance comes at a premium price, and it may be overkill for casual users. It's also larger and heavier than typical laptops, making it less portable. But for those who need the absolute best, whether for gaming, content creation, or professional work, these trade-offs are completely justified. In conclusion, the MSI Titan 18HX AI is not just one of the most powerful gaming laptops available. It's one of the most powerful portable computers ever made. It combines cutting-edge technology, premium design, and unmatched performance into a single device that truly sets the standard for what a high-end laptop can be. If you're looking for the ultimate no-compromise machine in 2026, this is it.